Hi, I'm Liz Baranoff from Berkhamsted's Business Growth Accountants, Rickaby Co, and this is the third in our series of short videos around payments on account, which are the tax payments we make to the revenue on the 31st of January and the 31st of July each year. So what do you do if you're struggling to make that payment on account? Well, firstly, you need to review whether you've actually earned the same amount this year as you did in the previous year. Your payment on account is calculated on your earnings in last year, so if your earnings are down, you can actually apply to reduce your payments on account, and if that's the case, then you need to look at our second video, which told you how to go about doing that. But on the assumption that you really do have to make that payment on account, what do you do if you haven't got the funds? Well, the first thing to do is speak to the revenue. They have a helpline number which is 0300 200 3835. That helpline is open Monday to Friday 8 AM to 8 PM and Saturday and Sunday 8 AM to 4 PM. Now you will need to give the person that you speak to a reasonable amount of information. You'll need to tell them why you can't make the payment. You'll need to tell them what you've tried in terms of raising funds. So if you've, approached the bank for an overdraft, tried to borrow from family or friends, you need to tell them how much you can pay and how long it will be until you can pay the balance. They will then decide whether or not to make what they call a payment arrangement. If you've had a payment arrangement previously, then you will be asked for more questions, which will include things like, well, why are you having a recurrent problem? If they do agree a payment arrangement with you, then beware that you do actually have to pay interest on all amounts that aren't paid as due. So if you do spread payments over 6 months, for example, then you will pay interest on those amounts over that time period. The other key thing to bear in mind is that you mustn't break an arrangement once you've made it. So be careful that when you agree, you are actually able to agree those terms properly. Once again, that number is 0300 200 3835, and that is the Revenues helpline. Please don't ignore the problem because it won't go away and you don't want bailiffs etc. turning up on your doorstep. Any problems at all, please have a look at the other two videos in the series, or if you would like our how to pay your tax help sheet, then please get in touch. We'll happily email that out to you. It goes out to all of our clients anyway on a regular basis. So that is the final one in the 3 video series. Please give us a call or get in touch if you'd like to talk to us about how we can make your life easier with regards to your tax affairs, and I hope you found the videos useful.